Okay, y'all. We have to start this video off as basic as Texas Austinly possible. Okay? Okay. Go Longhorns. 3, 2, 1. Guess what today is?
Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday! It's Taco Tuesday in Austin, Texas. Doesn't get much better than that.
So this is my brother Paul, Sylvester's in the back, Deanna, and my mom Carol. Say hi.
Hi. What do you usually get? Tell us what you usually get here at the, where are we?
Taco joint.
Taco joint.
Steak, egg, and cheese with avocado added. And
Okay.
the potato, egg, and cheese. Really good.
Okay, okay.
Alright, we're at the Before I Die wall. Well, it looks like someone's house though. We're gonna have to be quick about it. Are you coming out? It's called the Before I Die wall because they have these little blank spots and people just fill in what they want to do before they die.
This is hard.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. I'm nervous.
Yeah, I'm nervous too. I'll be a billionaire. Heck yeah.
Everybody wrote everything already.
Get a kid.
I saw that.
They didn't say have a kid.
Get a
Get a
kid.
kid.
I can do that for you right now.
Before I die, I want to go to space. It might be backwards. I'm not sure. Alright, your turn, Dion.
Before I die, I want to get a Jeep Wrangler. A pimped out Jeep Wrangler.
Or you want to save the Earth?
You want to save the Earth.
I'm gonna start a fire.
Ooh, put that. That's cool. That's badass. What is it?
Financial independence, retire early.
You heard it here, people. Before she dies, she wants to start a fire. Financial independence, retire early. She's trying to get out of it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this fresh haircut. And these curls that are popping continuously. Look at that. This is natural, people. There's no coconut oil in this.
Go to Japan.
Ooh, let's do it.
Woo woo! 2020.
Woo! Japan 2020.
Longhorns.
Go Longhorns. How you feeling?
Good. It's a little chilly.
A tidbit chilly.
Tad.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
I'd ask you how you feeling, but you're gonna go on a tangent, so I don't want to know. How you feeling?
Good. Need some water.
You need some water?
H2O.
Sorry, we have to ration that out. Welcome to the capital of Texas. Best shot ever.
Oh, look.
on Capitol Hill.
We.
Oh my gosh. I'm glad I got that on camera. Oh gosh. Lawrence has been pressing me out, okay? Lawrence has been worrying me to death about riding these scooters. When we were in DC, he wanted to ride it and I wouldn't because it was 20 degrees and I didn't want to die.
But
so
now we're in Austin, and they have them everywhere.
And it's like 60 something degrees, so we're about to do it. Are you excited?
Yep, very
I'm excited too. We're gonna meet his family. His family didn't want to ride with us, but we're gonna meet his family at Whole Foods on 6th Street.
Yeah, a few blocks down.
So we'll see how it goes. And I'm kind of nervous that I might fall off, but we'll see. So you gotta get your little appy app.
The Lime app.
Scan it.
I can't see. And once you scan it, it takes a while and it unlocks the scooters for you. We just finished our ride. It was a lot of fun. It was well worth the wait. I would definitely do this again.
It was fun, but it's a little scary, and I accidentally pushed the gas instead of the brake one time, and so yeah. But other than that, it was pretty good.
All right,
I'm sweating now.
All right, so we made it to Whole Foods. About to walk in and meet my family.
Of course we're gonna have tacos for lunch on Taco Tuesday. Is that even a question? Were we riding the scooters?
Yeah.
Downtown.
What?
There's downtown over there.
That's the school right there, that tower.
Yeah, you see that tower right there? That's the school.
Oh my God. They can hear him. And you're literally just repeating every single thing that he's
I'm gonna edit his video out. I'm gonna edit his voice out.
That's so funny.
You gotta risk it for the biscuit. Come on.
I want a biscuit.
Alright, you get a cookie. Come on, they're like steps. Literally like steps. Look, now the whole world sees how much of a scaredy cat you are. Come on, it's not that serious. Take a step.
Just kidding. Now what?
Just jump.
Heck
No, take another step. Look.
Why don't you stop recording me?
No, I need to capture your triumphs. All right, now celebrate.
Now, can you fast forward
Now
that
celebrate.
so people don't see? Oh.
We're rebels. Look.
You on your own.
Oh, where's he going?
I'm staying up here. Give me my camera back.
Wait, that should be our house right there.
Paul is crazy. Don't look down. Don't look down. They're really risking it for the biscuit. Baby. Baby, please. Baby, please be careful. Fun fact of the day.
It's the biggest hill in Austin.
You heard it here first. Biggest hill in Austin. That's why I got a Charlie horse in my thigh. We still have to eat tacos again for dinner.
Oh man, there's more tacos.
We have to get dessert tacos.
Oh man, I'm tired of tacos.
No.
What was your
One
favorite
time we
taco
came, you
today?
gave me a breakfast burrito like 3 days in a row.
Did I?
Yeah, I was like, I don't want to eat burritos anymore. Can I have like bread for
So maybe it was that. It was taco joint tacos, but they like come wrapped up.
But you know what they say?
Once
When-
a taco, always a taco.
Okay, I was gonna go with. We'll stick with that.
What were you gonna say?
I was gonna say when in Rome.
Once a taco,
Once-
always a taco.
Ooh, look, Longhorns.
Go on.
Go Longhorns.
We will not be defeated. We will eat more tacos on Taco Tuesday.
More tacos.
We will eat more. Final taco. Here we go. Thank you.
And tater tots. What do you think? Not good?
I hate corn tortillas. Final taco.
It was really good. I'll definitely come back to this place.
Are you sad that Taco Tuesday's over?
Yes and no.
You want to eat more?
Yeah.
Today?
I could eat like one more. I think that's my limit.
I
But,
can't eat any more tacos. I'm tacoed out.
Yeah,
Like,
going through the whole day eating tacos.
it was cool, but
I mean,
Yeah,
it was a
not
fun
my
experience.
favorite.
We should start a challenge. Taco
Taco Tuesday challenge.
challenge.
If you can eat 3 tacos in one day, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Not just 3.
Well, we did. We ate like 2 tacos for breakfast. You ate like
I'd say-
4 tacos for lunch.
Yeah, I'd
and
say
a taco.
I'd say
for dinner.
today in total I probably ate like nearly maybe 10 tacos.
I would say
I'd
like
say
8.
8. Yeah.
You ate like 8 tacos.
But
I ate 4.
well, for the last place we wanted to go to this cool.
I know, it was called Taco
It's
Sweets.
like a dessert taco place.
And it was going to
but-
be really cool, but we waited till the last minute and now it's closed. So now we're about to go to Steel City Pops
Okay,
and
show
eat
them a sign.
popsicles. You show them the sign. I don't know how to show them no sign.
So anyway, you didn't smell.
Yeah, it's not as cool as
That's
dessert
not
tacos.
the sign. That's the sign.
Oh, I showed them that sign.
Oh,
City Pops.
that's ugly. All right, let's go.
All right. Thank you.
This is thebone.com.
Yeah, popsicles.
And what's your name? Mason. Mason's awesome. Check her out. Austin Steel City Pops.
It's popsicles in Austin.
Heck yeah. Only popsicles I had in Austin.
Well, we hope you enjoyed spending the day with us.
I enjoy spending the day with us, honey.
I hope you like and subscribe. And
No, we don't hope. You're gonna.
All right, we'll see you on
You
the next.
gonna like this video,
we'll
and
see.
you gonna subscribe
We'll
to
see.
this video,
We'll see you on the
whether
next.
you like it or not.
We'll see you on the next
You better
adventure.
you better comment too.
We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.